What if I told you there's a tool that can secretly control any Android phone, record calls, access cameras, even steal passwords without the victim knowing? Today we're exposing CraxsRat, one of the most dangerous Android rats in 2024. But don't worry, this video is 100% educational. I'll show you how it works ethically and how to protect yourself. Let's dive in. CraxsRat is a remote access Trojan, a rat disguised as a harmless app or file. Once installed, it gives hackers full control over your phone. Common delivery methods: fake WhatsApp mods, cracked games, or phishing links. Victims are often tricked into granting permissions, thinking it's a system update or plugin. Infection phase. Hackers bind CraxsRat with a popular app, e.g., free Spotify Premium APK. Connection phase. Victim installs the app. Malware connects to hacker's server. Control phase. Hacker can now spy via camera, steal SMS, or even lock the device. Tip 1. Never install APKs from unknown sources. Disable this in settings. Tip 2. Use Play Protect Plus antivirus, like Bitdefender. Tip 3. Check app permissions. Revoke camera mic access for suspicious apps. Tip 4. Avoid cracked software. 90% contain malware. This video is for educational and cybersecurity awareness purposes only. CraxsRat is a powerful remote access tool, a RAT, that can be misused for illegal activities. The demonstration shown here is performed in a controlled lab environment using virtual machines, and all sensitive information has been blurred or anonymized. Warning: unauthorized use of CraxsRat or similar tools to access devices without explicit permission is illegal and violates cybersecurity laws worldwide. This content does not promote hacking. Instead, it aims to educate users about digital threats and protection methods. You can collect this from me for education purpose. The contact link will be given in the description. Always use ethical hacking knowledge responsibly and only on systems you own or have legal authorization to test. The creator of this video assumes no liability for any misuse of the information provided. So CraxsRat is scary, but now you know how to stay safe. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity guides. Drop a comment. Stay safe if you learned something. Wink. And remember, with great knowledge comes great responsibility. See you in the next one.